I'm Tracy. Welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. In this video, you will learn how to take a simple 8x10 photo frame and turn it into the most adorable corkboard. Now, this is part 5 of my 5-part series, making use of those inexpensive Dollar Tree photo frames in surprisingly new ways. Now, if you missed part 1, 2, 3, and 4, I'll have those linked in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get started. The supplies for this project consist of an 8x10 photo frame with matting, a piece of foam board, an adhesive cork sheet from Crafter Square, a glue stick, and the last 2 supplies are optional. They consist of alphabet stickers and a floral of your choice. To begin this project, I start by deconstructing the 8x10 photo frame. I take the backing of the frame and I trace out the exact dimensions on a piece of black foam board. Once I get that traced, I'll cut it out with an X-Acto knife. Once my foam board has been cut, I take the backing of the photo frame and the foam core and I glue it together. Now you can use hot glue or stick glue, but I prefer stick glue just because the push pins will then go into your cork board and your foam board much easier. They won't hit those little glue spots from the hot glue and not go in easy. Now that I have my foam board and my backing glued together, I move on to the adhesive cork sheet from Crafter Square. You'll see that it's a little bit larger than my backing piece, so I will cut off the excess and adhere it right in the center of my backing board. Now you'll see that the cork sheet doesn't fit the 8x10 exactly. It has those 2 little black strips on the sides, and you'll see why in a minute. That's not going to matter. In this next step, I remove the glass and the photo matting from the frame. I set the glass to the side and I put the trim after removing the foam risers back inside the photo frame. Once the matting is back inside the frame, I take a bead of hot glue, I run it completely around the paper trim matting, and then I will insert my cork board. And you could stop here and it's a perfectly adorable cork board. And I love how that white matting hides those little black strips of that foam board. Makes it look very clean and finished. The next and final steps I kind of just wanted to do on my own. I wanted to embellish my cork boards a little bit. So I brought in some florals of my choice and some little gold alphabet stickers. I just wanted to remind you that if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a crafting friend. and I think it turned out so sweet. I just love these little cork boards. They're perfect for just like sitting on your desk. You could even, if you found like an 8x10 photo frame with a little kickstand, you could even do that and just leave it like a little kickstand, like an 8x10 photo frame with your little pictures pinned in it. I want to thank you for watching, and if you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as my crafting friend. And until next time,